Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining this Latin talk. I'm Jian Zhu, a maintainer of OCM project. In the next 5 minutes, I want to show you how OCM makes it easier to build integrations in multi-cluster environment through its add-on mechanism. So, what is OCM? OCM is an open source SynCF project focused on managing fleets of Kubernetes clusters. It enables end-to-end visibility and centralized control across your Kubernetes cluster. With OCM, you can register clusters, distribute workloads, and manage resources across both cloud and on-prem clusters from a central hub. So OCM has many great features, but in this talk, let's focus on the extensible part. How does it serve as an integration point for making Kubernetes capabilities multi-cluster aware? The answer is add-on mechanism. So OCM provides an open cluster management. It's a Golang library. By using this library, it lets you build customer behaviors like monitoring, credential management, scheduling, or any other things you want, and deploy them as add-ons. The framework will take care of things like registration, deployment, health check, and status reporting, and class-level ruling upgrades, and so on. So you can focus only on your business logic. And here is the add-on architecture. It's hub-spoke with pool model. And there are two flows in the diagram. On the right side, each add-on has an add-on manager on the hub cluster, which provides capabilities like deploying the agents on the main cluster and maintaining the status of the agent and the ruling upgrades for the agents. And after the agent is deployed on the main cluster, it can do their business locally. And on the left side, the registration component issue a certificate for the add-on agent to access the hub cluster with requested permissions. So the agent can, with this certificate can access the hub and subscribe configurations and do some reconciles. And it also can report their healthiness to the hub. So from this, we can see to develop an add-on, the two main parts are first defining what resources need to be deployed on the main cluster. And as an add-on agent, it usually contains a deployment, a service count, some rules, and some rule bindings. And the second, defining how the agent accesses the hub and with what permissions. So in fact, the main requirement to develop an add-on is to implement these two similar interfaces defined in the add-on framework. But is it possible to make this development process easier? Yeah, we also provide an API called AddonTemplate, which aligns with the two interfaces we already talked about, the defining the agent manifests and defining the registration. So with this API, you no longer need to implement this Golang interfaces via code, but can just write in YAMLs. And to further simplify the developing process, ultimately we provide a CLI. So you can just execute one command, cluster ADM, create add-on to develop an add-on. It's very easy. And there are many SynCF projects already have integrated with OCM as add-on, like Argo CD, Fluid, and Q, and so on. So we welcome you to use this mechanism to integrate your project or build your customer behaviors with OCM to enrich the multi-customer management capabilities. Yeah. Finally, if you are interested in OCM, come and talk to us in person. We have an OCM kiosk on Wednesday morning at Ground Ballroom 2, Table A. We'd love to talk. Thank you very much. That's all.